Hi all, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you like.
Create a new sheet, email. Have columns email address, share symbol, price alert given price where you need alert. I have given random alert price for the sample stocks first time so as to generate emails. For getting current price, do a VLOOKUP formula, searching for the symbol with vbA sheet and get the current price for the symbol. Next is current status, where you give it below or over based on current price and your price alert. The logic is, once it crosses the current price, it will be updated to over by VBA macro. Now in macro, create a for loop for all the symbols in the email. For each symbol, it will check the current price and alert price. So if both prices crosses compared to the previous trigger, the if condition is satisfied and call to send emails function is produced. Creating a send email function with 4 parameters. In the send emails function, the code is generic and I have pasted it in the description. This is based on Gmail configuration. Other email servers will also have similar code, however the port or server names will be different. You have to change username and password accordingly. The email function have 3 parameters, the email address from column A, symbol, current price and the price change whether it is over or below the alert price. Now in Tools, References, you have checked the library for sending emails as shown. Also the Gmail SMTP configuration is as shown. Now starting the macro, once the macro is done, you will be getting emails based on alert price and current price, once it crossed. I have given sample emails I received through the email functionality.
I could help you out possible through the comment option. I appreciate your valuable time. Enjoy the rest of the day. Please, subscribe if it worked out for you.